on March 30th. In 2022, the world of business changed forever. What was witnessed by the world was the birth of a unicorn company. No, that is not a misprint. A unicorn company named ONPASSIVE had entered into the space that other companies only dream about but had never reached. A unicorn company has a value of $1 billion. ONPASSIVE blew that figure out of space by coming in at a mind-bending $5 billion value. The business world was shocked at what ONPASSIVE has been able to achieve, without launching to the public. Mr. Mufareh, and his staff started their rollout marketing campaign in a place where your ears will physically pop. The marketing campaign started at the world-famous Burj Khalifa. The name of ONPASSIVE rose all the way to the top of the Burj Khalifa, which happens to be located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building on Earth. By the way, ONPASSIVE purchased 2 floors of the Burj Khalifa, floors 134 and 151, making ONPASSIVE the highest office on this planet. When you ride elevators to where ONPASSIVE's offices are, your ears will physically pop. On April 15, 2022, ONPASSIVE displayed the genius of Mr. Mufareh and the staff in Dubai, headed by the brilliant Mohammed Kamal, who is the Chief Operating Officer of ONPASSIVE in Dubai. We had witnessed the extravaganza of ONPASSIVE with the Burj Khalifa rollout. Now we were promised something even more spectacular. How could that be possible? ONPASSIVE contracted with Emir Entertainment, with 120 high-definition incredibly enormous screens. ONPASSIVE's name is in one of the largest shopping malls in the world. Throughout the mall, in every direction, people saw the ONPASSIVE's brand. There are 10 famous tourist attractions in Dubai with the name of ONPASSIVE, drawing the attention of thousands of people gawking at ONPASSIVE. A famous road in Dubai and other world-famous places in Dubai, the name of ONPASSIVE is there. On Friday, April 22, 2022, a marketing campaign targeting those who want to be founders was on display before the position closes forever. Attention world! April 30, 2022, on Saturday, there will be another gala event. Please mark your calendars for this date. We were promised that we are going to be shocked by what is going to happen. Stay tuned for the time on April 30, 2022, when it will be staged. Get ready to be mesmerized and excited. This will be a mind-bending phenomenal event.